Pluto used to be the ninth planet in our solar system, until scientists decided it didn't fit the definition. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union introduced 3 rules for what makes a planet. Pluto orbits the Sun and is round like other planets, but it hasn't cleared its orbit of other objects. That means it shares its space with rocks and icy bodies in the Kuiper belt. Because of this, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet, joining others like Eris and Haumea. This decision caused debate all around the world. Some scientists say Pluto deserves to stay a planet. Others believe the new rules help us better understand the many small worlds in our solar system. Either way, Pluto is still one of the most fascinating objects out there, and it's helping us ask deeper questions about how we define planets in the first place. True or false? Pluto has cleared its orbit of other objects. False. Pluto shares its orbital path with other bodies in the Kuiper belt, which disqualifies it under the new definition. What is one reason Pluto is no longer considered a planet? It hasn't cleared its orbital zone. Fill in the blank. Pluto was discovered in the year blank. In the year 1930. Fill in the blank. Pluto orbits the blank like all the other planets. The Sun. What category does Pluto belong to now? Dwarf planet. If a spacecraft travels 7.4 times 10 to the 9th kilometers to reach Pluto at an average speed of 60,000 kilometers per hour, how many hours will the journey take? To calculate how long it takes to reach Pluto, we divide the distance of 7.4 times 10 to the 9th kilometers by the speed of 60,000 kilometers per hour. That gives us about 1.233 times 10 to the 5th hours, or around 123,300 hours in total. True or false? Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. True. Fill in the blank. Pluto was reclassified because it failed to clear its blank of other debris. Orbit. Which of these objects is most similar to Pluto? Eris. Fill in the blank. Pluto's largest moon is called blank. Karen. True or false? The debate about Pluto's status is completely settled and agreed upon by all scientists. False. Many scientists and educators still argue that Pluto should be considered a planet. If Pluto is approximately 5.9 times 10 to the 9th kilometers from the Sun, and New Horizons traveled at an average speed of 58,000 kilometers/hour, how long would it take to reach Pluto? To find the total distance traveled, we multiply the spacecraft's speed, 58,000 kilometers per hour, by the time of 9.5 years. First, we convert 9.5 years into hours by multiplying by 365.25 days, and then by 24 hours per day, which gives us 83,322 hours. Now, multiplying that by the speed gives a total distance of about 4.83 times 10 to the 9th kilometers. What major discovery helped redefine what counts as a planet? Discovering many Pluto-sized objects beyond Neptune. Fill in the blank. Pluto is part of a region called the blank belt. Kuiper belt. A spacecraft passes across a Pluto-sized object that is 2,300 kilometers wide in just 40 minutes. What is its average speed in kilometers per hour? To find the average speed, we divide the distance, 2,300 kilometers by the time of 0.667 hours. This gives us an average speed of about 3,449 kilometers per hour. How did you do? Tell us in the comments below. And thanks for watching BrainyKidz. We hope you had fun learning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new quiz. See you next time, Brainy friends.